Hello and welcome to 4-5's Design. So, challenge accepted. I was asked if you could make a ranunculus out of coffee filters. So I thought I'd give it a try. This is my first attempt. It's a prototype. I normally do this when I'm making a flower for the first time, so I can see how the various components are constructed and how they fit together. So far, I've just had to rely on Google Images to determine how the flower is made. My next step will be to get hold of a real ranunculus so that I can make a few more observations and get a really realistic look. But for a first attempt, I'm quite happy with this. The leaves, I made a pattern by drawing out the shape freehand using a Google image, and then coloured the leaves with gel food colouring, stuck them together with wire. The petals, which are the distinctive feature of a ranunculus, I cut out various different sizes and shapes and stuck those together, adding that little bit of colour in the centre. So a little way to go. I'm looking forward to doing lots of different colours of these because ranunculus come in a gorgeous variety of colours. However, for a first try and an answer to the question, yes, you can make coffee filter ranunculus. I'll continue to perfect this and then post another video so you can see the finished article. So keep watching and thanks for the challenge.